At step number 4, we have to make scaling of EpiView X-rays. There are few tools of the software which we use at this step. Bottom zoom in and zoom out. Point in appropriate box. You can enlarge or reduce X-ray image. After pointing the necessary box, you click by the left bottom of the mouse 2 times in the field of the X-ray field, and it will enlarge, as in this case. You can do it twice or more. You can do it the necessary number of times. If you think that the image is too large, you can click another box, minus box, and also click twice in the field of the X-ray, and it will become smaller. You can move the X-ray image along your screen as you want. To do it, it's necessary to click the left bottom of the mouse in the X-ray field and holding the button pressed to move it in direction you need. In this case, I move the X-ray film to the right along the screen. Also, you can play with plus and minus to enlarge, to make it smaller, and to move where it is necessary for you. Also, in the field of each X-ray, we have a subject of known length. It can be a radio-opaque ruler with the length more than 80 millimeters, or it can be any subject of known length. In our case, we have taken and we have input inside the X-ray film. We have put on the cassette a threaded rod of 150. Don't forget that a radio-opaque ruler or a subject of known length should exceed 80 millimeters. It is an obligatory requirement of the software. In the left upper corner of the software field, you see the pink tool with the black center, so-called dumbbell tool. We have to move this tool by dragging its black center to the ruler or threaded rod in our case on the X-ray. The ends of the dumbbell must coincide with the ends of the ruler. To do it, we have to press left bottom of the mouse at T-shaped intersection of pink lines of the dumbbell and holding the bottom pressed to drag this intersection to one end of the ruler. Then we do the same with the second end of the ruler. To be sure that the ends of dumbbell and the ruler coincide, you have to check it on high magnification. Then we have to insert the value of the ruler, in this case threaded rod length, in the corresponding frame. It will be 150 millimeters. Don't forget that all the measurements are made in millimeters. After it we can go forward, but before it we have to save our file, and then we click on the forward button. Then we do the same procedure with the lateral view X-ray. We take the dumbbell by the black center and we move it to the threaded rod, and then we enlarge the dumbbell. Then we check it on high magnification, the ends of the dumbbell and the ends of the subject of known length should coincide. And then we insert the value, the same value of 150 millimeters in the box in the field, and we can go forward.